Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS news for Thursday, August 25, 2022. The National Housing Trust, NHT, has delivered 32 duplex units to beneficiaries at Majesty Gardens, Phase 1A in St. Andrew. The development comprises 24 studios, 4 one-bedrooms, and 2 two-story, three-bedroom units. The studios were delivered at a cost of $4.8 million each. The one-bedroom units for $6 million and 3 bedrooms for $8.9 million. Of the 32 housing solutions, 3 have been set aside for the new social housing program, with the rest being given to NHT contributors. At Wednesday's handover ceremony, Prime Minister Andrew Holness said 51% of the NHT beneficiaries were women, while 31% fell within the 19 to 40 years age group. Mr. Holness also revealed that 28 of the 29 NHT recipients were within the 0% interest rate income band, while 1 was in the 2% interest rate band.
The NHT is now targeting is the minimum wage to $30,000 per week. That has been the income group that has not had significant benefit from the NHT. So I'm very happy today that almost all the beneficiaries are from that income range.
The Ministry of Education and Youth, through the National Education Trust, NET, will begin the construction of an administrative block for all schools in short order. This is to improve the working conditions for teachers and administrators. Education Minister Favour Williams says the schools are identified through a database compiled by the World Bank and architecture students from the University of Technology.
There are approximately 1,000 schools across Jamaica with varying needs. As we continue to maintain and improve our schools, you will begin to see better facilities for our teachers and our administrators.
Minister Williams was speaking at a press conference on Monday. She said the ministry would be meeting with principals across the island this week to update them on projects completed within the last school year and those planned for the 2022-23 academic year. Still on education, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has expressed satisfaction with the ministry's announced efforts to address teacher migration, while characterizing the situation as both a threat to public education and an economic opportunity. This is in response to the 167 teacher resignations that have occurred since July, resulting in a shortage in some schools as the new academic year approaches. Prime Minister Holness says the situation highlights the quality of educators that are produced locally and who are in high demand elsewhere.
Maybe whilst we view it as a threat, maybe we need to look at it in a systematic and strategic way to say to those persons who want to take our teachers, pay us to train teachers for you.
Mr. Holness was speaking on Tuesday at an award ceremony for children of employees at the Office of the Prime Minister and the Office of the Cabinet who were successful in this year's PEP exams. He argued that there was very little the government could do to stop teachers from migrating who are not under any obligations in terms of a bond or fees of any kind. On Monday, the Education Ministry revealed that, among other measures, government would be looking to address the shortage through a pool of 964 newly trained specialized teachers, including 121 who are on the ministry's special scholarship program. In other news, 2 new backhoe tractors have been handed over to the Rural Agricultural Development Authority, RADA, to provide services to farming communities in St. Thomas and Westmoreland. The Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries procured the tractors, which are valued at $38.76 million. The 4-wheel drive vehicles were handed over at Kingston's Agro Investment Corporation facility on Wednesday.
This is going to be used to assist with farm road rehabilitation and also responding to emergencies and natural disasters for land management for crop and livestock, as well as drought mitigation and other major projects.
The backhoes will be utilized for field clearing and pond excavation in St. Thomas, which will be crucial for the upcoming onion planting season. In Westmoreland, they will help to revive earthen ponds for rainwater collection, particularly in the eastern part of the parish, where more than 291 hectares of pineapples are being grown by about 484 farmers. And finally, Access to justice has been bolstered by the construction of 2 new state-of-the-art witness rooms at the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP. The construction of the witness rooms is one of several activities funded under a Memorandum of Understanding between the Ministry of Justice and the Foreign Commonwealth Development Office of the British High Commission. The witness rooms are expected to be in operation by September 2022. They are equipped with video conferencing technology, a document camera, and acoustic panels installed on the walls to limit audio escaping to ensure confidentiality. Director of Public Prosecutions Paula Llewellyn says the facilities will enhance the administration of justice by offering a safe and secure location for prosecutors to interview vulnerable witnesses and where both defense and Crown Counsel can go via Zoom to different courtrooms. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.